We have serious problems concerning water in the school. We have to travel about a mile or so out of the school campus to get water. So we and the villagers depend on the dam water. So that's the only source of water that we get. This is the dam where pupils of the Camp Primary School drink.
Right now we're on our way to go and look at the water that the kids are using every day. We're going to a kids' home to take a look.
Really the quality of water that our pupils drink is not the best. So the water is more often muddy water, let me put it like that. And there is plenty sicknesses in it. So many a time the children develop these sicknesses. So because the water is not pure water, it really affects the children health-wise.
The water problem we're using this their dam water. There was guinea worm here, and the children because they've never seen any clean water. They don't know the difference between clean water and dirty water. So any water they get, they drink.
They have got a dump there. So most of the times in the mornings and evenings, when they are coming from their homes, they carry water here.
What is that? That's the water that he's drinking at school. Oh no.
The water affects teaching and learning because whenever it's time for break, the children go home to drink water. Some even go and they don't come back again. And last year, one of our children were knocked down on the road because she went to drink water when she was coming back. Then a lorry hit her. Then she even died on the spot. So it affects a lot of teaching and learning process.
Soon after they finish, you see them running across the road. They have to get back to their houses to get water to drink because at the school we don't store water. We don't have water storage facility. So of course, after training like this, your lesson will have to delay because they have to search for water to cool down themselves before they come back to class.
Create Change hopes to construct 4 rainwater harvesting tanks at 4 different primary schools in northern Ghana. These rainwater harvesting tanks will provide clean water for all the students throughout the year. Right now, the kids at these schools are having to leave school to go and drink water, so that means going far to their homes, and a lot of times they just don't come back because of the distance, or it means drinking water often that isn't clean. If you look at the quality of the water that these kids are drinking on a daily basis, it surely is affecting their health. Although it wouldn't change the situation at home for them, it would ensure that they had access to clean water throughout their school days, and it would encourage attendance actually, because it would take some of the water pressure off these families.
The water tanks are built to trap the rainwater from the roof. The idea was that instead of us allowing the water to pour during the rainy season, to pour and go waste or go to the ground, and we are now searching for it. Why can't we look at the solution of how to tap it and store it? So where there are zinced roof, aluminium zinc roof, those ones are meant for institutions. like schools, clinics, etc.
So if we have, water facility in our school, I think lessons will be timely. Everything, programmed by the teacher will go on accordingly.
The water station in the school will improve. How the children have been carrying water down here, all will cease.
If we also have water in the school, it will help with the children and the teachers, so I will know the movement of the children, and then also their health, because they don't drink bad water to make them sick, and they will be healthy.
To create change.
Help us to create change.
Let us create change.
Help me to create change.
Create change.
Together we can create change.
Help me create change.